Tarararan! So, ito yung pira na ito yung pira na income namin sa event ng what's that? Easter Sunday. Hello everyone. Okay guys, so our video today is about Easter Sunday event. So every Sunday we're doing this kind of event. So ipapakita namin kung anong ginagawa namin at kung ano mga pangyayari. Tsaka kung magkano ang kinikita namin. So
Houseware brown.
okay, so let's start the coloring. Hello? Wow, ang ganda. Look, Joe is good in painting. You don't know how to paint. My God, Jesus Christ.
Interesting color choice, Grandma.
Hey, I boiled the head.
Oh shit.
They charge good money for that at the salon.
They do. Well, you can see, you can just come here and get this neutral color.
Mommy, you're not white here anymore.
Is it mahogany?
Yes,
Get on mahogany.
it is.
Can I have gold highlights?
So, yun po guys. Pagka Easter Sunday, every once a year lang naman siya. Every Easter Sunday, nagtitinda kami ng mga colorful na sand. And then yun, mga customer namin, mga bata o matanda, halo-halo. And then nag-i-spray din kami ng buhok. Yun po yung ginagawa namin every year. Every Easter Sunday. So, 3 years na ako, magti 3 years na. I'm 3 years here, hubby, right? Almost 3 years, this coming September. So, 3 years ko na rin sumasama sa kanila na mag ganito. Nakakapagod, sobra guys. Nakakapagod kasi once nag-start kami ng 11 o'clock din, yun, wala na talagang pahinga. Walang tayo, walang upuan. Hindi ka makaupo kasi sa sobrang dami ng mga sobrang dami ng customers. Mga bata, nagkakalat ng mga nagkakalat sila ng buhangin. Tapos, yung pag-i-spray, sobra, grabe, sobra talaga. Yung pag-i-spray ng hair, this is 10. Sobra, pag nag-i-spray ng hair, sobra talaga. Sobrang, nakakapagod, sakit sa kamay, and then, yun, ang mga customer, this is 20. Ang mga customer sobra nakapila as in grabe. Pero hindi namin kaya kasi kami lang, si Javier lang saka yung anak namin isang tapos tawag yan, hindi kaya. Javier. Okay. So, yun, hindi kaya kasi tatlo lang kami. So, nag-hire kami ng kapitbahay na tutulong sa amin. Ayun, binabayaran namin. Tapos, ayun. Kasi talaga kung kami lang tatlo, hindi talaga kaya sa sobrang dami ng tawag yan. Customer. Grabe. Kung makita ninyo sa video, grabe talaga. Walang upuan. Once nga nag-start hanggang 5 o'clock, walang upuan, nakatayo ka lang. Nag-i-spray ng buhok ng mga bata at saka matanda. It's so funny kasi nung una akala ko lang siya, yung mga bata lang magpapa-spray ng buhok. Pero, Diyos ko Lord, may nakita pa ako dun 80 years old, nagpapa-spray ng buhok color blue. Gusto ko ngang i-video kaso lang, yun nga, hindi talaga nakaya ng time ko kasi sobrang busy na wala talaga akong pahinga. Tarararan! So, ito yung pera na ito yung pera na income namin sa event ng what's that? Easter Sunday. So, ito yung bibilangin na natin, guys. So, this is from ano to? And then, ang tawag nila sa amin is Sandman. This is the Sandman. The Sandman guy. So, class. $267 is, yeah, I'm correct, $2,009. So in peso is, times, how much peso now? Times 50? How to do the calculation? 51 times 51, the dollars in pesos is 51 is 102,459 pesos. So that's our income, guys, for the event of the Easter Sunday event. So thank you, guys. Thank you, dear Lord, for the money. So can we put it together?
Yeah.
Okay. There is 50 here and 20, so you have to put together. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and hope you're gonna subscribe our channel for more video, for more event maybe next year. Thank you so much. Bye.